Hey everybody, so there's lightning out at the moment, and so I wanted to try to capture it for you guys. Look at that. I want to hold on to my phone and then take as many pictures as I can so I can catch some lightning. Ka-chow. Like the meme. If you guys have seen the meme, let's go catch some lightning, and then the little Lightning McQueen comes out of the distance like, ka-chow. But it's so funny. So, I'm gonna try to take. I'm literally pressing on my phone so fast so I can get as many pictures as I can of this. Because lightning comes spontaneously. I'm so bummed though, because outside the quality isn't good. Unfortunately. See, isn't that amazing? Ooh. It's beautiful though. This would be a really cool time lapse, honestly. If I had the SD card to do it, then I probably would do it just because. And the great camera. See if I can cover this stupid LED light here. Nope. Yeah, I was literally, my mom just said that there's no thunder, and it's true because I haven't heard any like or anything, you know? It's very strange. Wow. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was a very creepy laugh. It was like, or however. Wow. In the picture right now, it looks dark outside, but it's honestly not that dark yet. It looks like I can see blue in the sky still, but from here it looks dark. I think I might just do a part 2. So, until next video, bye!